Hi everyone, this is Cindy at Cricut Heart, and I'm back with my project for the month for the I Was Oh So Inspired collab hosted by Call Me Crafty Owl. And so the project this week, it's linked to the inspiration piece, but it's another fun fold card. I made 2 of them to share with you guys, and I am using my monthly kit from La La Land. This kit's super cute. You get your little piggies and you get your Marcy as well as lots of sentiments, and then you also get your dies, which I didn't use the dies as much for this because this makes a smaller card. So what I did with this is I tied it off with twine to keep it closed because I guess it could stay closed now. I just needed to be trained. So here are my little piggies on the front, and all I did was use one of my dies to make a snowdrift. And it does sparkle because I did spray my Sheer Shimmer Craft Spray and Sparkle, which I got from the Not Too Shabby shop. And the way that it does is it kind of folds out like this. Its beginning to look a lot like winter. And here's a card like that. And you can tie it off with twine to keep it closed. So there's this one. And then this one right here, same thing. I have it tied off with some twine to help keep it closed. And it just says skating by with a winter high. So this one I did use the dies. I just cut them off at the sides so that, it would fit on my card. And I use the skating piggy, and then it opens up. It's beginning to look a lot like winter. And then there's my cute little card. So really fun. Make sure that you visit all of the girls who are participating in the collab and leave a comment. And if you do become inspired, be sure to use the appropriate hashtag that's listed in the description box so that we can look at all of your wonderful projects. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy at Cricut Heart.